In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and pin the Hubstaff Chrome extension. Let's start right at your desktop. Open Google Chrome, the regular browser window you use every day. From there, head to the Chrome Web Store. The easiest way is to search for Chrome Web Store in your address bar and click the official result from Google. Once the store loads, you'll see a search box at the top left. Click into that search bar and type Hubstaff, then press Enter. This will filter the store to show extensions related to Hubstaff. Next, you'll want to identify the correct extension in the results. Look for the Hubstaff Chrome extension and double-check that it's published by Hubstaff. This is important because there can sometimes be similarly named tools, and verifying the publisher helps ensure you're installing the authentic, up-to-date version. You can also glance at the icon and the number of users as an extra signal that you're in the right place. Once you've found the official listing, click it to open the details page. Here you'll see a description, screenshots, and the permissions the extension needs to run properly. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation will appear at the top of your browser. Click Add Extension to continue. Chrome will quickly download and install the extension in the background. You'll usually see a brief notification letting you know the installation was successful. If you're ever unsure, you can open the puzzle-shaped extensions icon in your toolbar to confirm it's been added. To make the extension easy to access, let's pin it to your toolbar. Click the puzzle icon at the top right of Chrome to open your list of extensions. Scroll if needed and find Hubstaff in the list. Click the small pin icon next to it. As soon as you pin it, the Hubstaff icon will appear on your main toolbar, so you won't have to dig through menus the next time you want to use it. This little step saves time and keeps your workflow smooth. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome in the web store, search for Hubstaff, confirm the official publisher, add the extension, and pin it for quick access. If at any point you don't see the icon, revisit the puzzle menu and make sure it's pinned. You're now set up to use the Hubstaff Chrome extension whenever you need it, right from your browser toolbar.